All right, Mo, now to this winter storm. It is ticking away. It's going to be here very soon.
Yep, in the next 24 hours, big changes are coming. Potential storm impacts, though, I do want to point out there are some big problems that can occur because of this winter storm. We're going to be talking about accumulations of sleet, snow, and ice. It all depends on where you're watching from. Now, also, I want to point out ice can increase the weight of branches on trees by 30 times their weight, and a ½ inch of ice on a power line can add 500 pounds. Power lines, they're not always able to hold that type of weight, so that's when we're going to start watching for power outages, especially in our southern counties, and I'll show you why here in just a minute. Overall, prepare for travel and school disruptions, especially as we get into next week. That cold air is going to settle into place, and we're not going anywhere. At least that snow is going to be stuck with us for a while. I want to show you the air temperatures as well. This is also part of the story. Cold air is making its way in. See this lighter blue color? That's the Arctic air, and it's slowly going to be taking over through the afternoon. 15 in Seymour, 27 in Shepherdsville. We're the warmest down in Adair County at 32 degrees. But that's the air temperature. This is what it feels like. You're dressing for 0 out in North Vernon right now, 2 degrees in Seymour, feeling more like 15 in Shepherdsville, and a balmy 25 down in Adair County. And this color right here, that's the Arctic air. That's what's going to be sinking through the region later on today. Our high is likely only going to get to the mid-20s in the metro, and then we start to fall in temperature, and that's going to happen in the next few hours. We will get a little bit of sunshine in there, though, so that's nice. Now, tonight, clouds are going to be working their way back in. We're starting tomorrow morning at 10 degrees, but the wind chill is going to feel like 5 below 0. And then we got to start watching for that snow to develop. So that's going to be overspreading the region by the late afternoon. And that darker shade of blue, that's where it's coming down steadier at times. What we'll also be watching for is this pink color. That's the wintry mix. We can have some sleet mixing in with freezing rain. That's going to cut down on your snow totals, but it's going to add to the problems, especially if you have coatings on trees and power lines. This is 11 o'clock at night on Saturday, and then Sunday morning we start to see a little bit more snow, and this pink color starts to lift a little bit overnight into Sunday morning, and we'll see it try to get into the metro. It doesn't last, though. This cold air and this snow is coming down heavy, and it's actually going to try and push that freezing rain back down. So that's pretty much going to keep our numbers higher. The longer you're stuck in the blue, the higher your numbers are going to be. By Sunday night, we're starting to come out of that heavier snow. It backs off. We're not going to be completely done. We're going to have some flurries into Monday morning, but the snow totals, look at this darker pink color, pretty much from northern Bullitt County up, anywhere between 1 foot to 1.5 feet of snow. And where you are experiencing that freezing rain, you're going to have the lower snow totals, but you'll have higher ice accumulation or sleet accumulation. It's 8 inches to about 1 foot south of Bullitt County, and then a little bit closer to 4 to 8 inches of snow as we get closer to the parkways. But overall, this is going to get everyone. It's going to be a problem. Just prepare, fill up the gas tank, get all of your groceries today. It's only going to be 16 on Saturday, 22 on Sunday. That's why it's severe alert days as well with this winter storm. Cold air stays with us too. 1 degree on Monday morning. We only get to 13, and then 8 below to start your Tuesday with highs only in the low 20s. Then an impact weather day on Wednesday. This is just a light coating of snow, but it's just going to add to more problems. Highs in the low 20s before colder air moves back in Thursday and Friday. That snow is not going to go anywhere. In fact, I did look a little further beyond the 7-day forecast just in hopes that we could maybe get closer to maybe normal temperatures. We are still below 0 and just stuck in that cold air through the next pretty much week and a half.